gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just wanna lift my hands and say that I love him. I just wanna lift my heart in prayer. And I wanna be thankful. I wanna be thankful. I wanna remember everything that the Lord has done. I wanna be thankful. I wanna be grateful. I wanna be.
Everybody gets a soul. Everybody gets mine. To let them know, 'cause we can be smart. We can be kind. We can be living, but giving and loving all the time. So on the days when it's feeling tough and it seems like you don't have enough, but let's be thankful for our friends, family, and grateful for the air that we breathe and appreciate everything that we have today. Hey, let's be generous to the one who's less than us. It's good to be compassionate. Since the day you were born, yeah, we got a lot to be thankful for.